Is your Land Rover's alarm constantly going off? The most common culprits are the bonnet switch, interior sensor, and battery. Start by inspecting the bonnet switch under the hood for corrosion or misalignment. This mechanical sensor frequently triggers false alarms. Next, consider the interior sensor, which detects movement inside the car. Vibrations or even temperature changes can set it off. Finally, check your battery's voltage. A weak battery can cause intermittent power losses, leading to random alarm activations, especially in newer lithium-ion models. Use an OBD2 scanner to check for fault codes related to the alarm system, PATS errors. Once you've identified the problem, you can often fix it yourself. For a faulty bonnet switch, replacement parts cost around $50 to $100. Apply dielectric grease to prevent future corrosion. If the interior sensor is the issue, recalibration or replacement might be needed. For battery problems, ensure your battery voltage is above 12.6 volts. Low voltage triggers alarms in lithium-ion systems, and a multimeter can help diagnose this. Remember to check ground connections and fuses before replacing any parts. Online resources like Reddit's Land Rover and YouTube tutorials offer helpful guidance, with DIY fixes succeeding about 80% of the time. Software updates, especially in newer models, might also address alarm glitches.